once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, I'm gonna make some candle holders for you. I have some more of these. I have quite a few of these, but I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna bling it out, because I just need to bling out one and then I'm gonna start to stock them up. All right, so this is from the Dollar Tree, and I have, I can't live without these are some candle holders from the Dollar Tree as well. When they are in stock, guys, I stock up on them. All right, you can do whatever you want. Sometimes you can do them like this, and then you can put whatever you want on top. It's up to you. But today I'm gonna do 3 candle holders. I'm gonna do about 2 on camera, and then the other one will be one of the same, so I don't need to do that one. All right, I have some glue sticks with my glue gun, a little bit of E6000. I need to get one, and I have some bling stuff here. I have some rhinestone mesh. This one I got it from AliExpress, and this piece I got from the dollar store, and it's $2. It's so beautiful. This is my favorite. Beautiful. And we're gonna work on this piece. I'm gonna use some of this. You can go ahead and you can paint it in silver, but no need to. And I'm just gonna glue it right around. Can you see it, guys? Look how beautiful it is. Now I'm gonna use this part right here to bling out the top. I'm gonna do the rest of them just like this piece, and then I'm gonna come right back. From this rhinestone mesh, I'm gonna take few rows of this part and this part, just like that, and I'm gonna bling out the sides right here. I'm gonna put one on and then the other until I finish. Just like that, guys. I'm gonna go right around it, and then I'm gonna come back. And now my peeps, I finished with everything, and now I'm gonna stock them together. This is what I did. It's beautiful, and I did both of them. Now for the grand finale, I got this from the Dollar Tree. I had them a while ago. I stock up on them, so I'm gonna use 3 in total, but I'm gonna use 2 on camera. All right, we're gonna glue everything together. So you want to put this right here like so, and then you want to grab this one and you want to glue it on top. for the front. I think I'm gonna use it like that. And then you're gonna set this on top. Yes, I'm so proud of myself. Now I'm gonna set this aside and I'm gonna stock the next one. Be careful. Guys, don't watch my hand, it's full of glue at this time. So guys, make sure you take off the stickers from the bottom. All right, we don't need that part. I'm gonna stock this one on top and then this one on top of it. All right, my peeps, so this is the final result, guys. Oh wait, I have to light my candles. 1 second. So guys, look at it. It's so beautiful. Good for a wedding, centerpiece, birthday, anniversary. Beautiful for even Thanksgiving, Christmas celebration, and it's a beautiful gift idea. Nice and simple, elegant home decor. This bottle right here, it's really good for decoration, and I add one rose in it. Look at it, look how pretty it is. All right guys, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys. Beautiful.